If you want to prepare something memorable on a special occasion, then this recipe is the right one for you. Let's start boiling the marble potatoes. The potatoes are cooked already. Remove it from the water and set it aside. Now it's time to prepare our truffle pea sauce. I'm going to turn on the heat to medium. Adding the oil. I'm using light olive oil. Add the onions. Garlic. And you just saute it for about a minute. Going to add green peas, fresh basil, some mint leaves. Just going to use about 5 to 7 leaves because mint has very strong flavor, and some fresh tarragon. So this sauce is going to be highly aromatic. I'm going to add chicken stock. Gonna add more flavor to the sauce. And then you simmer it for 5 minutes. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to transfer this to a food processor. Puree until smooth. Okay, I'm going to add more chicken stock. Going to add truffle oil. Now it's going to add earthy and mushroom flavor to our sauce. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon. Season it with salt. Black pepper. Blend it again. Okay, I'm just gonna check the seasoning. Tastes so good, so yummy. Transfer this to a bowl and set it aside. Let's prepare our salmon. For the skin of the salmon. So I'm just scoring it 1 inch apart. Squeeze some lemon juice all over the salmon. Season the both sides with salt. Pepper. Some paprika. Clean this. Now we're going to start cooking our salmon, and I'm going to use griddle. Add some oil. Our pan is ready. Now you make sure the pan is really hot before you add the fish so that the fish won't stick to the pan. I'm going to put the salmon skin side down. Now for this thickness, it will take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I'm going to turn the other side. So I'm doing this just to make sure this side is evenly cooked. So I'm just checking the doneness of our salmon, and this is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer it to a plate. Going to remove this. Now for the last part, I'm going to cook the spinach and marble potatoes. I'm going to turn on the heat again to medium. Add the oil. Add the garlic. Add some butter. Going to add the marbled potatoes. Now I'm going to add the spinach. Okay, I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, and continue mixing it just for another 30 seconds more. You don't want to overcook your spinach. Okay, this is ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Just gonna clean this. Everything is ready for our dish. Now it's time to start plating. I'm going to start with a truffle pea sauce. So I'm just getting about 1 spoonful of the sauce. Then you just spread it around the plate. Next is the spinach and marble potatoes. Put the salmon on top. And then I'm going to garnish it with some alfalfa. Going to do the second plate. Looks so gorgeous. You don't have to go to a fancy restaurant to have something like this. You can always prepare this at home. Wow, the truffle pea sauce is so refreshing. The flavor is so aromatic. It goes perfectly well with the marbled potatoes, spinach, and salmon. This dish is not pretentious. It is just simply good. And this is something new that you can prepare at home.